morning, respected principal ma'am, esteemed teachers, and my dear students. Today, I stand before you to speak on a topic that holds the power to protect, preserve, and prepare us for a better tomorrow. That is safety. Safety is not just a rule to follow, it's a way of life. Whether it's walking on the road, using the internet, or simply learning how to express ourselves respectfully, being safe means being smart and aware. For our young learners, safety starts with small actions, looking both ways before crossing the street, not talking to strangers, learning to say no when something feels uncomfortable, and using the internet wisely. Children, do you know that most accidents can be prevented with one powerful thing, presence of mind? A little caution, a little attention, and a whole lot of care can go a long way. Let's remind ourselves to walk only on the footpath, wear seatbelts, never share personal details online, and speak up if something does not feel right. These are simple choices that protect us and the people we care about. As teachers and adults, it is our duty to ensure that students not only understand safety rules but also feel empowered to speak up when something is not right. A safe environment lays the foundation for confident learners and compassionate citizens. In our school, safety also means creating a space where every child feels heard, respected, and protected. It means keeping our environment clean, following emergency protocols, and looking out for one another. Let's all remember safety is not seasonal, it's a habit that shapes a brighter, more secure future. Thank you, and let's make every day a safety day by leading with care and living with awareness. Thank you so much.